An isosceles triangle has two sides that are 32 centimeters long and another side that is 15 centimeters long. What is the perimeter of the triangle? So again, when doing these questions, there are three steps that we have to take. Our first step is to draw our diagram. Our second step is to do our calculations. And our third step is to answer the question in a sentence with the final units. So let's start off with drawing a diagram. It says that we are going to have an isosceles triangle with two sides that are 32 centimeters and then one side that is 15 centimeters. So we know that an isosceles triangle has two sides of the same length followed by a base. Our two sides of the same length are 32 centimeters, and then our base is 15 centimeters. Now that we have our picture drawn, we're going to move on to step 2 of actually doing the calculations. So we need to find the perimeter of the triangle. Now remember, there are two ways to do this, so let's start with the first method by just adding up all the sides. So we have 32 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 32 centimeters again. And 32 plus 15 plus 32 gives us our final answer of 79 centimeters as our perimeter. This is the first method to find the perimeter, but the second method can be done using a formula, where P equals 2 times 32 centimeters, because we have 32 plus 32 up here, which is the same as 2 times 32, and then add that on to 15 centimeters. So we have 2 times 32, which is 64 centimeters, plus 15 centimeters, gives us our final answer of 79 centimeters. So again, either method works, it's just whatever way you prefer. Now we're going to move on to step 3 of answering our question in a sentence. The question asks for the perimeter of the triangle, so we'll write our answer like this, where the perimeter of the isosceles triangle is 79 centimeters. We included our units, and we also answered the question in the form of a sentence. It doesn't have to be this exact sentence, as long as you make sure to answer the question.